PLM CAD Utilities Presence. Our ERP Integrator integrates any desktop application with SAP S/4HANA. Here we're demonstrating our integration using data stored in a text file. The same can be used with other applications as well. Using our integration, you can transfer the data from any desktop application. For example, Excel to SAP S/4HANA, Inventor to SAP S/4HANA, SolidWorks to SAP S/4HANA, etc. Before sending the data to SAP S/4HANA, go and check whether the products and bill of materials are there or not in SAP S/4HANA. Items are not there in ERP. Now we'll transfer the data to SAP S/4HANA by using ERP Integrator. Select the text file. The grid shows the items and bill of materials. For transferring the data, just click on button 4. Wait for some time up to the process is complete. The process is completed. Now, check the products and bill of materials are created or not in SAP S/4HANA. Products are created in SAP S/4HANA. Bill of materials also created in SAP S/4HANA. The grid will look like everything green after the process is completed. This is how our integration will work to transfer the data from any desktop applications to SAP S/4HANA. Thanks for watching.